Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. In the ever-evolving world of interior designs, the latest table lamp designs have emerged as captivating and innovative pieces that only illuminate our spaces but also serve as exquisite decor elements. Embracing modern aesthetics and cutting-edge technology, these lamps redefine traditional lighting concepts from sleek and futuristic LED lamps with adjustable brightness and color temperature to artful sculpture designs that double as object d'art. The option or diverse and enchanting smart table lamps with built-in voice control and wireless charging capabilities add an element of convenience to our daily lives, while eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient bulbs align with our sustainable aspiration. The latest table lamp designs are a harmonious fusion of form and function, where elegant materials like brushed metal glass and sustainable wood come together to create a visually stunning pieces. Whether you seek a minimalistic statement or a bold artistic expression, these lamps cater to diverse taste and complement a variety of interior styles. As they cast a warm and inviting glow, these modern innovations elevate the ambience of any room, inviting us to embrace the enchanting synergy between technology and design in the realm of home decoration. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.